Today in the cabinet we have taken a decision, major decision. A separate ministry will be formed and a minister also will be given the responsibility of the public grievances of the entire state, where ministers may attend, MLAs may attend, and all the ministers compulsory in every week, 1 day a week, compulsory they have to go to every taluk, one taluk. They will have to attend the public. They have to look into their grievances. We should not allow people, all of them, to come to Bangalore. The minister themselves are compulsory. They have to go to the every taluk headquarters along with the MLAs, and they should attend the public grievances. And it is called Praja Seva Department, Kendra. What you said? Praja Seva Department, Ilake. Praja Seva Ilake. It will be formed. Then I will see that even the MLAs also will have to go to all the Hobli levels. Also have to look at. After that, first is we are going to form a department. A separate IAS officer will be given the responsibility, and apart from that, officers will be there. We want common man, because we see thousands of people. They come daily to meet us, meet the ministers. We want their grievances. I know that when they come here, they will be out of the system itself. But still we have to respect their sentiments. A lot of agitations will go on. Someone will have to go and receive their representation. So a separate ministry will be formed on this issue.
So when are we going to see you heading to Delhi for the further cabinet expansion? Because you are also been waiting for it, so the bigger responsibility is taken. When are you heading to Delhi, sir?
And in Karnataka Bhavan, I am strengthening a separate secretariat for the see that the government. Because many states they are having the various benefits, and we have been deprived of various benefits. So I'll be appointing various officers who work with this country, civil officers who have been retired. 4 or 5 officers, a separate department will be set up there. We are strengthening the office. We are strengthening the legal office also there, and we want the entire. We will have a watch on all the entire states who is getting the more benefit, and we will also request all our parliament members and the central union ministers to help us in this regard, to see that we get more financial support from the central government and in par with the other states of this country.
Sir, on digital projects, sir, your